Welcome to part 2 of the Mix It Up Masterclass. This episode is for the channel tab. If you are new to Mix It Up and these tutorials, I'd suggest you checking out this introduction tutorial to get your bearings. It really could help you get comfortable going forward. Let's get into it. Welcome to part 2 of the Mix It Up Masterclass. I am Obi-Beard Kenobi. So, to select the channel tab, select the menu on the top left, select the channel tab, and here, split into 3 parts is the channel info, where you can update your stream title, update your game title, Borderlands 3, update your age rating, and select update channel. This then updates all these details straight onto your Mixer dashboard for when you go live. If you finish streaming and you want to host or raid someone, you can select an option here. Select random, large, small, same team, same game, and select search. This then gives you a user, amount of viewers, the audience, and the game they're playing. And then you can select host directly from here. Alternatively, you can select team or user and add the team. Type it in, click add. This then tells you the name, the total of users, the amount that are live, and the amount of viewers that are currently watching all 14 users. If you select here, it will show you the group. It'll show you at the top, true means live. So AH Crouton, Rob are currently live. How many viewers they currently have. You can select view stream, host straight from here. But it also shows the ones that are offline and if there's any users currently, watching VODs or lurking away in their channels. So that is it for the channel tab. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this, click that subscribe button. I have been Obi-Beard Kenobi. The next tutorial will be on the Mixplay tab. Thank you for watching. May the Force be with you.